Come take a test drive with the vehicle that makes an impression. The 2021 Jeep Compass, here at Northland Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. The 2021 Jeep Compass exterior combines organic curves with a sleek, sporty build that leaves a lasting impression. With an interior design to make the most out of every day, from versatile seating and substantial cargo space that is always roomy for adventure. The 2021 Jeep Compass has innovation that inspires and connects you to the world. With Uconnect touchscreen allowing you access on the go wherever you go. So come take a test drive in the 2021 Jeep Compass here at Northland Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram.